First, we'll take a look at the top left. The shaded region of this Venn diagram represents set A. If you take a look at the diagram in the middle, then you'll see that this shaded region represents set B. Moving on to the diagram on the top right, this Venn diagram represents the complement of A. So it is everything outside set A. Everything not included in set A comprises the complement of A prime. Let's move on to the bottom left. So here we have the complement of B. So as you can see, this shaded region represents the complement of B, as everything is included outside set B. Everything that's not in set B comprises the complement of B. Then we have a union B, which refers to everything that's included in either or both sets A and B. And then we have the intersection, A intersect B. So this region or shaded region refers to the intersection of A and B, everything that's included in both A and B.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.